Are you ready to transform your career in appliance repair? Welcome to Fundamentals of Appliances by Cornerstone Appliance Training, the ultimate online training program designed to help you master appliance repair. Hi, I'm Chris Stokes, and I'm excited to guide you through this incredible journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, our training is simple, easy to follow, and very affordable. With Fundamentals of Appliances, you'll learn how to pre-diagnose appliances before you even see them. Imagine walking into a service call with the confidence and skills to troubleshoot any issue quickly and effectively. This program equips you with the knowledge you need to stand out in a competitive market. Let's talk about the impressive earning potential you can achieve in this industry. As an experienced technician in a private company, you can earn between $70,000 and $90,000 annually. If you work as a union employee, you could make $85,000 to $100,000 or more each year. And if you choose to go self-employed as an established and highly skilled technician, you can earn between $150,000 and $175,000 annually or more.
Thanks to the Fundamentals of Appliances training, I went from zero experience to earning $80,000 a year in just a few months.
The skills I learned allowed me to start my own business. Now I'm making over $160,000 a year, and I can't thank Cornerstone enough.
You don't need years of experience or a hefty investment to get started. Our online training is designed to fit your lifestyle and budget, providing you with everything you need to thrive in the appliance repair industry. And that's not all. When you enroll in the Fundamentals of Appliances, you'll receive amazing free bonuses. A free appliance, troubleshooting and repair manual, mailed directly to your address. Selling used appliances guide to help you expand your business. Appliance Blue Book pricing guide to ensure you price your services correctly. A comprehensive parts list, the essential parts every technician should carry. A tools list, everything you need in your truck to get the job done right. Here's how our online training works. Enroll in the course. Get started today. Access comprehensive materials. Dive into detailed training resources. Start your training journey. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Test your knowledge. Assess your understanding with practical quizzes. Achieve certification. Earn your certification to showcase your skills. Receive ongoing live tech support. We're here to help you every step of the way. For a limited time, you can enroll in Fundamentals of Appliances for just price. This is an incredible investment in your future. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Click the link below to begin your journey to becoming a skilled appliance technician today. Join the countless others who have transformed their careers with Cornerstone Appliance Training. Take control of your future and unlock your earning potential. Master appliance repair with Fundamentals of Appliances. Your path to success starts now.